Okay, so, part one, I didn't say it, but my video cut off.
You're out of storage?
Yeah, but then I deleted a few videos. So this is part two of fireworks, I think. So we just did a firework. It was like a red and white thingy, and it like spin up in the air, but it accidentally went in another person's yard. So it went in the other person's yard? Didn't it? Was that your idea or G-Dad's?
I was just using it.
It's your fault. Okay, flinch challenge. If y'all flinched, comment down below. Y'all didn't, like, subscribe. Wait, no. If y'all flinched, like, subscribe. If you didn't, oh, I'd love to. Can you hold the camera though? Minnie, are you gonna do one? Or is it just me?
I'll do one.
Okay. Well, can you hold the camera? Can you do it after me?
Yeah. They got a lighter, so they have the lighter.
What?
Is it? Oh, it's on me.
Yeah, I know. Seriously?
How do you turn it around?
You can't.
Why not?
I'm already.
Okay, look. You want me to stop it and then?
No.
Okay. You want to light her thing?
Minnie, it's not. Hello. No, that's the finale. Okay. Because light is gone. Did I wipe my... Yeah, I messed it up, kind of. What?
Turn it out.
What?
It's not. It's go out too soon. Did you dip it in the water?
No. Here, Minnie.
Stick it in the water.
Whoa.
Why are you wetting it? Is that
Yeah. Okay, Becca's turn. Let's see this. Okay, I'm gonna climb up here. What is he looking for? Okay. So I'm up here. I'm up here so I can see better. Dad, I'm up here. Okay. I know it's dark, but I'm trying the best I can.
You didn't hit the house.
Huh?
You didn't hit the house.
Hit the brick on the side of that line, right beside the brick wall of the garage.
Found it?
Yeah, I found it. It's brought it down.
So that's all the big one? Oh no, we got one more big one.
Minnie, that's for the finale. It makes everything look slow-mo.
Yeah, like your light. Like that other was yours. You want to do this last one? No, yeah, go ahead. Huh? No, yeah, go ahead. I got a hang of it. What?
Minnie, that's the finale.
I couldn't even find that.
We're getting ready to go. Right.
What are you spelling? Oh, that's lame.
Maybe some right here.
Ooh, I just got listed. It was long yesterday.
So are these Roman candles or these fly up, do weird crap? They're all normal. Those are the fountains I've been doing.
Okay. We're getting bit. So.
What are these little things?
So.
Those just spin on the ground. I've been doing those too.
Subscribe to Becca. On Becca.
This is how you kill your enemy.
Wait, what do you do? How do you do that?
Chop, chop, chop.
Wait, why are you doing that? To kill your enemy?
Yeah.
Who's your enemy?
I don't know, my enemy.
Your enemy, but who's your enemy, or else you don't have an enemy if you don't say who your enemy is.
See, look, you see that right there?
Yeah?
That's why we make you put shoes on.
Oh. I'm getting bit up here. I don't know if I'm like stepping on tarantulas, but I'm getting bit. Oh no, I need to stay up here for that. What the? Okay, that was a flaming ball of fire.
Little thing took off like that. Alright, Michael, here's your snake eye.
We're doing the snake eye. Just 32 shots. I know, that's a lot.
I just got the lighter.
Come and walk in. I'm gonna get ready to run. Okay. I'm far away, but darn it. That wasn't actually our finale, though. We still have more.
Is that 32?
Probably. Saw all 5 or 6 of them at one time.
That was cool. I have to remember that one.
Yeah, we've got to do that next year. Thought that was thunder. I wonder if I make it to land. I made it to land whenever I jumped. What is this? Oh, whoa. Have you done this before? Have you ever done this one today? I don't remember. Well, I'm gonna sit down. I need a drink. Was that thunder? That sounded like thunder. Oh. Oops. Okay, so I actually drank the wrong drink. Actually, I drank mango Pepsi instead of my Hawaiian Punch. When are we gonna do the world-class flashing signal? Whoa! Which one was that? Whoa, that was cool. It's like red shoot ups. Y'all didn't see that. Becca, when are we gonna do this one? Can we do this one now? I think there's something like you throw and then you run away from it. Is this all paper? We're gonna have to, I don't know, pick all of it up. What's the most lucky thing that you can do? Can we do this one now? Here, can you hold this? What is that? It's world-class flashing signal.
Hey, those were cool. I think the first ones were just kind of duds or something.
Yeah. Yeah, you throw them on the ground and then...
Those are not ones that you throw on the ground. They're ones that I've been lighting this whole time. They light up, they flash. You want to do another flashing one?
Yeah, sure. Watch this. I keep thinking it's thunder.
In my butt for flashing? So it's like a strobe light.
Oh, yeah.
There's a roof.
Okay, I need to go in here. Oh man, I missed it. tail. Martin was so cool. Anyway.
Oh, that's how I go.
That's cute. Okay, that is beautiful. That was cool. What is she doing? Oh, she's doing a biggie? I'll let y'all run so y'all can have exercise. We're gonna run.
Oh, that's a good one.
That was nice. Minnie, can you believe they did this face paint in 30 seconds? It was amazing. I'm gonna put that back in position. Can we do this now? This again? I did it. An 8 and look what I can do.
Girl.
Ready?
Like the thing to do to see it, Molly. That's such a... I have it. That's the lighter to be. Good job. Thank you.
I think they're still missing. Guess what I can do? I have a new talent. Smoking fire.
Okay, go.
What are you doing, honey?
Hey, don't touch that one, okay? It's still hot. The one we just did.
Ready? Man, I ran. I mean, I did good.
Yeah, it's so bright.
cool. Now which one?
You didn't see that one, Mom?
I lit it! Pick it up. Can we do this one? I forgot they did that. What? No, it's a lot of smoke. Now which one?
If I could see this one, I'd already see it.
Okay. That was unexpected. Second scene. That was unexpected. So, let's see how we're done. Geez, I'm glad this lasted like 25 minutes. Now it's gonna last more.
Open cover to exposed fuse. That might be what yours was.
I'm lighting it so they can see. Maybe I should go get them company. Okay. So they're going to be doing. What is that? What? Oh, it's another fountain shower.
Yeah, it's an open flap to expose fuse.
Hopefully, I'm sorry that y'all are barely getting any light. It's because it's like, what time is it?
Hey, Marley, what did I say? Stop lighting it.
It's 10:22. Hey!
I told you to stop lighting it unless you were lighting something. Yeah, it's not a toy.
I was doing it so they can see me.
That's not a toy. Good job. You did a lot.
Now I gotta remember to take I like the fountain thingies like here, and I like the big clock that keeps it balance. Not the medium boxes. Big box, hello Bill, is what I like.
But we still have those. And my ball things. See?
It's just,
Okay. Can I light them? Please?
You're getting brave.
hope I can watch that.
I'm not even flinching.
Oh, don't put that one up yet.
Minnie!
They burn for a while.
They burn!
This one does? No. Little ball.
The little ball does.
Okay, that's the new one. What? You can light it.
Minnie, can I light it?
Yeah.
Which one do you have?
I have the little...
Oh, okay.
Hey! Hey, Dad!
What is this, all those birthday poppers?
Can I do it?
Pop it or do you just pull it?
Are y'all ready, kids?
That's when you can't see it.
Here, I'll do it in there.
No. Well, it's not going to pop if you have your hand over it. Look. Scoops out this way.
Wait, do it for the camera. Hey. They didn't see it.
Who has a lighter?
Minnie. What? Oh, another one? Two more? Minnie, do you have the lighter?
Wait, let me do my two real fast. Let me do it. Oh, that one didn't spin.
Is this a lighter thingy or?
Yeah.
Hmm? I'll do it. No, there's one more. Kind of blunt. Okay, so I accidentally paused the video, but we already finished the fireworks. So here's the last firework for y'all. Becca, wait, that isn't it. We still have the rest of the smoke balls. I want to do them.
Unless you want to film your
I do.
one.
Huh?
Your last ending one. I know there's more light ones in there.
Okay, we actually still have. Can we at least do the rest of the smoke balls? What's your favorite color? If I do your favorite color, comment down below. Well, if I do your favorite color in this box, comment down below. I'm gonna do purple. Purple. Purple.
Here, we can. We'll do them, but I'm gonna light them like all at the same time.